Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options guy and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets opening, as I said, if we start moving up and you get any sort of a short trade from 41,000 to 44,100, you can go ahead and take a short position. And from there itself, market saw a sell off till 43,800. So our first target was hit, our second target almost hit. Not really getting hit over here. If you see market surge from 43,750, I was expecting maybe we could see a bit more correction on the downside. But yeah, markets then going ahead and recovering a bit in the end, right? But as I said, this will be the place where people will go ahead and take a short position, right? And I also actually tried to take a short position over here, but my stop loss was hit. I'm just gonna show you guys my position right now. Over here, if you guys can see, I had shorted the 43,800 call at 210 rupees, which would be in this candle over here, right? If you see, this candle had gone above this previous day's high and then retraced and closed like a hammer. So I thought definitely this candle could be the start of the downtrend, right? But if you see, from there the candle did not go down and I had to take a stop loss of 40 points over here. If you see, minus 1229, so like almost 41 points, 40 points you can say, in Bank Nifty over here, right? Again, but after that, if we see, markets again showed the same candle and then again started moving up. And then the third time around when the market came, if you can see near this yesterday's closing, then the markets went ahead and took went short from there, right? Or you can say started moving down from there. But again, I wasn't expecting, like, after seeing two times these candles getting reversed, my confidence was actually down a bit, and then I just decided to not take a trade because the stop loss in this candle that I was getting was also pretty big, right? So I just then decided to not take that trade, and just because again, the thing is that you will always get opportunities in the market, so it's okay sometimes to if you don't feel like taking a trade, right? Either it is because of a loss, or either it is because maybe you just are not getting the intuition, or like whatever you can say, a gut feeling from inside that you should not take this trade, then it's okay to just not take a trade and sit back and relax, right? It's okay, no problem. I've earned actually way more than that in August. Right now also, I think up 5% on my account for now in the August, right? So still no big deal at all. These losses are also fine, nothing big, because if I would have earned, I would have easily earned more than 6,000 rupees on this trade. So giving away 1,200 rupees as 1,200 rupees is not really a big deal at all, right? So talking about Bank Nifty over here, what can we do for tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday, right? Now, if you see one thing, notice one thing in Bank Nifty is that look at this selling, right? Just see this selling, how sharp this selling is, right? In, like, maybe you can say one day, one, two, maybe 2.5 days, you can say markets went from 45,000 to 43,800, right? Because this was a very good selling that the FIs had done. This is the place where FIs had sold really, like a lot, right? Same thing over here also. Just look at the sharpness of this selling, right? Just look at the angle at which the market was coming down. And now just look at this type of selling where the market is again going up, again going up, again going up, right? So definitely the selling has started to slow down a bit. Now we will focus on more of a pullback, taking a trade with the view of having a pullback on the upside, right? Till 44,300 at least, right? So tomorrow, if say we open flat and start crossing 43,750 and all these levels, you can go ahead and take a bearish trade over here. But again, there is not much space on the downside because markets could again take support from this range. But you can take a 100 points range as soon as we 100 points trade as soon as we cross 43,750. You can take a trade till 43,650. Although do keep your quantity less, because as I said, the selling in the market is starting to slow down a bit, right? So now we will focus on a pullback in the market. We'll focus for getting a pullback in the market, right? So tomorrow, from 43,700 to 43,500. If we get any sort of a bullish price action being made in the 15-minute chart in this 200 point range, we will go ahead and take a bullish position in the market, right? And if the position closes very well in our favor, say the market closes near 44,000 after recovering from here, then we'll take our positions home till the higher targets of 44,300 on the upside, right? Because as I said, the selling in the market has slowed down a bit, and now we could see some market taking support again from here and then moving up. The best scenario which would be for us is that market breaks 43,600 and then goes down slowly till 43,500. Because 43,500 is around support, we will see a very good market taking very good support from 43,500, and a lot of people will be short as soon as 43,600 is broken, right? Because this is a swing, everybody will say that okay, this was a very important swing and now it is broken, let's go ahead and take a short position. So the best thing for us would be if market breaks 43,600 and then shows slow selling, then we'll go ahead and take a buying position over here or a bullish position over here. You can keep a target of 43,900 also for intraday if you want to. You can then go ahead and take an exit from your position and not take anything for like overnight. But yeah, if you want to take overnight, then your target comes out to be 44,300 on the upside, right? And that is also where I will be looking out to sell either 43,900 or 43,800 put short, 43,900 or 43,800 puts over there. So as I said, if you open flat or with a small gap down, as soon as we cross 43,750, you can take a short trade over here, but keep your quantity less because there is not really a clear range on the downside, right? On the upside, if we open flat and start moving up, we'll do nothing over here. Why? Because there is 44,000 on the upside. Again, there is 100 points. If you want to, you can capture, but the thing is the selling is slow, the buying is also not very good over here. So maybe the market might go up but in a very volatile way, which could hit your stop loss, right? So again, the best thing to do would be not take a trade. Above 44,060 is where you can take good trade over here till 44,200. So above, if we say cross 44,060 tomorrow, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here till 44,200. And then once 44,200 is crossed, if we see slow buying coming in at this point, right? This zone, as I said, as I'm referring for 3 days now, this zone is very important, right? So again, if we move up and if we start seeing slow buying coming in near this zone, then we'll take a short position over here, right? Because market has moved in either direction. If you see in the daily charts, I'm going to show you guys the daily charts also over here. Market has moved up also and it has moved down also. So chances are that market might consolidate over here for some time. So our aim should be to sell at higher level and to buy at lower levels, right? So you got the plan. On the upside, if we go above 44,200 and see slow buying, then we'll go ahead and take a short position. If we go below, if we go near 43,700 to 500, and if you see any sort of a bullish any sort of a bullish pattern being made, then you can go ahead and also take a bullish position in Bank Nifty, right? Talking about Nifty, if you see was way more bearish than Bank Nifty. Wasn't really expecting this, but okay. Nifty did not give you a chance to enter by breaking yesterday's high, right? Nifty went down in the first candle itself, and as I said, do not sell in Nifty because a sell in Nifty would have been triggered at 19,360, which came at the end, right, in the second half, and then markets were pretty much, like very volatile, so you wouldn't have gotten anything out of this trade, right? On the upside now, 19,480 becomes important. If we break 19,480 and you see good buying coming in, then you can take a bullish trade till 19,550, right? You can get a very good trade over here. So again, we need to wait for some time before breaking out, right? If we maybe open with a gap up, or if we just open flat and start moving up, then we want the market to wait over here for some time and then break 19,480. Once that happens, then you can take a bullish trade till 19,550, but make sure that to keep your eyes open, right, all the time when you're taking this trade, because if somehow the buying gets slowed down, right, then you need to be very cautious because maybe the market might come up over here and again trap everyone and start moving down. but I think we could see a good buying coming in above 19,480 till 19,550 over here. Yesterday I was saying because this was a pretty obvious place, but now it looks like we could see a good amount of move coming out of coming once we break 19,480, right? On the downside, if you see in Nifty, there is 19,330, which will act as a support, 320 to 330 over here. Below that is where you can take a short position in Nifty till 19,270, right? So you can capture this 50 points, and then if you get any sort of a trade in this range over here, in this lower range, maybe Nifty breaks this low and then you are not seeing good selling coming in, then you can take a bullish trade over here. Your target will again be 19,320 on the upside, intraday target. But if you want to, you can hold your positions overnight also for higher targets of 19,000, maybe 500, and even 400 for that matter. But I think 400 will be too close. So you can also hold your trades for 19,500 on the upside, because as I said, the selling is kind of slowing down. So we again need to now reprioritize our views and stuff and then play accordingly, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today. And tomorrow, as I said, on lower levels, we'll go ahead and take a buying position, and on high levels, we'll go ahead and take a selling position. And that was it for today. And thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.